Number 7 is calling haunted or ghostly numbers at 3 am. A ghost call or phantom call is a telephone call for which, when the recipient of the call answers, there is no one on the other end of the call. People have been calling some ghostly numbers as per the trend nowadays. They say they have heard creepy sounds on the other side of the phone when they call one of them. And each number comes with a scary backstory. Like 4086342806 is a number so called as red room number, and if you call, you have the chances to be kidnapped. 666 and likewise many other numbers. But some of these numbers have recently reported to be invalid, and some gave up the creepiest response. Twitter is flooding with these hashtag calling ghost numbers like the other Midnight Games hashtags. Number 6 position is taken by calling fictional characters challenge. Calling fictional characters is also on trend nowadays. If you are thinking of doing this challenge, then be aware of its warning. This challenge includes calling or talking to Angela at 3 am, talking to Tom at 3 am, talking to Mickey Mouse at 3 am, and many more. They are said to be possessed at 3 am, as you all know it's devil's hour. But people say Talking Angela is a scary urban legend about a mobile phone app that allows creepy hackers to interact with kids and take pictures of them. Many people have got the scariest response on this, as the Angela at 3 am, as always, don't repeat the words the user say, but call the user's name. This is so scary. Hashtag talking to Angela at 3 am or talking to Tom at 3 am are also on trend on Twitter. Number 5 is another famous one, that is Baby Blue Challenge. If you perform the rituals, they say, an evil ghostly infant will appear in your arms. This is related to Bloody Mary challenge, as the rules required a dark room with candles in hand. The story is about a woman, Daisy Blue, who fell in love with a man and married him. They had a child soon after their marriage. Daisy's husband was in army and was called for duty. After a few days, there was news of her husband's death. Daisy couldn't take this and got mentally ill. One day she saw their wedding photo frame hanging on the wall. She threw it on the floor and glass broke. Her baby started crying as the noise was loud. She got angry and took a piece and murdered herself after murdering her baby. Hashtag Blue Baby Challenge is also on the spot in trending hashtags on Twitter. The Ouija board game challenge stands at 4th position. The Ouija board, also known as a spirit board or talking board, is a flat board marked with the letters of the alphabet, the numbers 0 to 9, the words yes, no, occasionally hello and goodbye, along with various symbols and graphics, accompanied by a planchette, a teardrop-shaped device usually with a small window and the body used to maneuver about the board. Spiritualists believed that the dead were able to contact the living and reportedly used a talking board very similar to a modern Ouija board at their camps in Ohio in 1886 to enable faster communication with spirits. The Ouija phenomenon is considered by the scientific community to be the result of the ideomotor response and nothing else. Number 3 in our list is the one-man hide-and-seek challenge at 3 am. Now I cannot figure out why on earth you would even play these games. Anyways, people have enormously started doing these 3 am challenges as per the trend, and one of the spot is taken by this game. Known in Japan as Hitori Kake Rainbow, this one first involves preparing a doll or stuffed animal to be your opponent. Once you have created your opponent and put a few precautions in place, it's the doll's turn to hide while it's your turn to seek. After you find the doll, though, the roles are reversed and you do not under any circumstances want to let the doll find you. If you successfully avoid it, you will have to go find it again yourself to end the game. But be warned, you may not find it where you left it. Hashtag one man hide and seek is also trending on Twitter. Number 2 is the most famous challenge, Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary is said to appear in a mirror when her name is chanted repeatedly. You have to switch all the lights with candles in your hand looking into the mirror. The story of Bloody Mary is of a woman, Mary Tudor, who was the eldest daughter of Henry VIII and was the Queen of England. She was in her childhood called cursed, so she was full of rage and pain. She was beautiful and was obsessed of seeing her face in the mirror frequent times. Mary killed predators who were dividing England into two religious parts and bathed in human blood. After some time she got pregnant, but she never gave birth to a child. There was no child in her womb. This incident happened frequent times, and Mary went under depression and died. She got famous with the nickname Bloody Mary. The most scariest in our list is the Charlie Charlie Challenge. The Charlie Charlie Challenge is a modern incarnation of the Spanish paper and pencil game called Juego de la Lapicera. Like a magic 8-ball, the game is played by teenagers using held or balanced pencils to produce answers to questions they ask. As per various corners of the Spanish-speaking internet, Charlie was a child who committed suicide, the victim of a fatal car accident, or a pagan Mexican deity who now convenes with the Christian devil. But the Mexican deity bit at least is demonstrably untrue. Hashtag Charlie Charlie Challenge has been tweeted more than 1.6 million times. More people are googling Charlie Charlie than virtually any other news event.